Hello everyone, in this video we're going to compute the total income and tax liability of the firm for the assessment year 2020-21 and also the business income of each partner for the assessment year 2020-21. So if you have to compute the total income, you have to take all the heads of income except the head salary. Now if you look from the credit side of the profit and loss account, you can see that there's a winning from lottery, so that will come under the head income from other sources, and also house property income that will come under the head income from house property. Then they have given you the profit and loss account. So from here we have to compute the business income. Now let us look from the debit side of the profit and loss account. So first of all, you have to identify which one will be the inadmissible expenses. So the first one will be the interest on capital, since the interest is over and above 12%. Then we have salary to partners and also commission to the partners. Now let us look at the adjustment. If you look at the adjustment, it says number one, general charges include rent of rupees 60,000 paid to Romy for using his building as go down of the firm. So this will be an business expenses. It will be an admissible expenses. Then you have demurrage charges paid to railway, rupees 5,000. This will be an admissible expenses. But in the case of C and D, this will be an inadmissible expenses. Then point number two says that sales include an entry of rupees 2 lakhs for goods sold to a relative of Romy. The market value of such goods are rupees 2 lakhs 40,000. So in this case, the sales has been undervalued by rupees 40,000. So this will have to be added back to the net profit. Then point number three says that one bill of rupees 50,000 for purchases has not been shown as expense. Now in this case, this will have to be subtracted from the net profit since an expenses has not been recorded. So if you have to record this particular expenses for purchase, this will reduce the profit. So you have to less back from the net profit. Then point number four says that the firm is to be assessed under section 184. The salary, commission and interest to partners has been paid as per deed. So in this case, we have to calculate the allowable expenses under section 40B since the salary commission has been paid according to the partnership deed. Now if you look from the solution, so first of all, we know that we have to calculate the total income. Then after that, we have to calculate the tax liability. So for total income, we have income under the head house property, which has already been computed for rupees 24,000. Then we can see we have income under the head other sources. So since they have give you the net amount, then you have to gross it up. So if you have to gross it up, we know that TDS for winning from lottery is 30%. So if you have to gross it up, it will come to rupees 1 lakh. Then for income under the head business, there's a working note. So now let's see how it has been computed. See from the working note, it says calculation of business income. So as we know that we have to take first of all the net profit as per profit and loss account, which is 4,53,100. Then we have to add it back all the inadmissible expenses. First of all, we have the LIC premium of partners, that is from adjustment number one. Then we have donation to National Defence Fund. Then we have salary to the partners, that is for both the partners, that is 1,44,000 plus 1,20,000, which is 2,64,000. Then commission to the partners, that is 1,20,000, and interest on capital in excess of 12%. So you can see there after calculating, you can get 5,000 and 4,000. Then the total interest on capital in excess of 12% is rupees 9,000. So after adding back, you'll get 8,84,600. Then you have to less the income not taxable under this head. So winning from lottery, you have to take the net amount, that is 70,000, and house property income, that is 24,000. So after subtracting the income not taxable under this head, you get 7,90,600. Then you have to add the sales which has been undershown, that is 2,40,000 minus 2 lakhs, that is 40,000. Then you have to less the purchases which has been unissued or which has not been recorded in the books of accounts, so that is 50,000. So after adding and subtracting the sales and purchases, you'll have a book profit of rupees 7,80,600. Then you have to less the allowable remuneration to working partners under section 40B. This has been calculated because the remuneration has been paid in accordance with the partnership deed. So as we have done earlier, so first of all, we have to take the actual remuneration as per deed. So in total, the actual remuneration will be 3,84,000. That is the salary to partners for both the partners, that is 2,64,000, and also commission to a partner, that is 1,20,000. So you'll get 3,84,000. Then you have to calculate the point B. So as per section 40B, so whichever is less, you have to take that. Then you can see from working note, that is 1A remuneration as per section 40B. So first of all, let me remind you again, since the book profit is more than rupees 3 lakhs, so to calculate remuneration under section 40B, first of all, you have to take 90% of the first rupees 3 lakhs. So 90% of 3 lakhs will get 2,70,000. Then on the remaining balance, you have to take 60%. So the remaining balance will be 7,80,600 minus rupees 3 lakhs. You'll get 4,80,600. So 60% of 4,80,600 will get 2,88,360. So the total remuneration under section 40B will get 5,58,360. So you can see that the actual remuneration is 3,84,000 and the allowable remuneration under section 40B is 5,58,360. So we have to take whichever is less. So we have taken 3,84,000. So business income will be 3,96,600. You can see the income under the head business. It's as per the working note number 1, we'll get 3,96,600. So gross total income after adding all the heads of income, which is under this problem, you'll get 5,20,600. Then you less deduction under section 80, so it'll be 100% because it's the donation to National Defense Fund, that is 20,000. Then the total income or the taxable income will be 5,600. Now in this case, the calculation of tax liability, so we have the total income is 5,600. Now out of this 5,600, we have a casual income which have a TDS at the rate of 30%. So from the total income of rupees 5,600, you have to minus the casual income, that is the gross amount for winning from lottery, that is 1 lakh. So the normal income of the firm will be 4,600. So normal income of the firm will be taxable at the rate of 30%. So 30% of 4,600 will get 1,20,180. Then for casual income, that is for winning from lottery, we know that there's a TDS of 30%. So 30% of rupees 1 lakh will get rupees 30,000. The total tax will be 1 plus 2, that is the normal income plus the tax on the casual income. So we'll have here 1,50,180. Then we have to add the health and education cess 4% of 1,50,180. You will get 6,007. Then your tax liability will be 1,56,187. Then you have to less back the TDS on lottery. This TDS on lottery has to be subtracted from the tax liability because it is a tax which has been already deducted at source. So now let us look at the calculation of business income of both the partners. So the first one is the business income of Romy. Now we have taken the remuneration for the full amount since the actual remuneration is less than the allowable remuneration under section 40B. So that is why the salary has been taken in full and also the commission has been taken in full. So 1,44,000 and 80,000. The total remuneration of this particular partner Romy will be 2,24,000. Then interest on capital to the extent of 12%. So you'll get here 15,000. Then share of profit from firm, that is exempted. So the total business income of Romy will be 2,39,000. Then the business income of Somi. So again, remuneration from firm has been taken in full since the total remuneration is less than the limit of remuneration under section 40B. So in that case, we have taken the salary in full and also the commission in full. So 1,20,000 plus 40,000, you'll get 1,60,000. And the interest on capital to the extent of 12%, you'll get 12,000. And the share of profit from firm B exempted from tax. So the business income of Somi will be 1,72,000.